The reason your quilting website is not getting you customers because it's not reading the newspaper. Welcome to your daily dose of quilting business coaching. I'm your host, D3. Lately, I've been working with a number of quilters and pattern designers and helping them redo their website. I've noticed a lot of things. For the most part, many of you out there copy other people's websites, right? You go to your favorite machine quilter, you go to your favorite pattern designer, you see what's on their website, and you're going to build a similar website. So you see that they have an about us, that they've got to contact us, they've got all these different links and things, and you think you need to do the exact same thing. So stop it. That's not how you're going to do it. Everything you need to know about how to get more customers and how to serve them better is found in the newspaper. What do I mean by that? So here's our local newspaper. Nice there. And so they create it and then they fold it. And this is what we call in the newspaper industry as above the fold. And this is where a newspaper knows this is the most important stuff. They've got their logo, they've got a major headline, and then they've got some article. This is the most important thing. Second is on the back. But today, we're going to focus on what's above the fold. And your website needs to know what's happening above the fold. There's four things your website needs to have above the fold, and almost none of you have this. Let's swing over to my computer, and I'm going to show you my own website, put myself under the microscope, and show you those four things that you need in your web page. The first thing I need you to do is open up your website. Go to your homepage. Doesn't matter if it's on your tablet, your laptop, your desktop. Go and get it. I'll wait. Hopefully by now it's up. Let's swing over to my website and let me explain what's going on there. As you see here, there should be four things that are going on in your website. The first thing is you've got your logo in the upper left-hand corner. Our eyes in America scan left to right. So the first thing you want them to see is some part of marketing, branding, that's you. And that should be your logo. Do you want to have it all out in words? That's up to you. Could it just be the cute little cute? That would work fine as well. Whatever you have as your logo, something as a part of that should be in the upper left-hand corner. Piece number two, there should be an image that connects your customer to what you're selling or offering. You can see here with mine, I've got a beautiful quilt being thrown out there and stuff. From there, you need a headline, just like the newspaper, preferably 3, 4, or 5 words, but no more than 7. As you see here in mine, it says start your quilting business. You know the whole intent of what I'm going to do. You can scroll down through this page and see more, but you know in the 5 seconds I've got to convey a message to you that I help people start their quilting business. And then there needs to be a call to action, right? There should be a button that moves people to the next step. As I've been working through these other websites, I see on average, a lot of people have about 30 to 35 different things you can click on. As Donald Miller, the marketing guru, New York Times bestseller, says, a confused mind always loses. When you give your customers so many options, they don't really know what's the next step. You can see from this image, it's very easy. I want you to do one thing, start my quilting business, and I'll move you through the process there. So how does your website look? As you compare your above the fold, do you have those four things? A logo, a compelling image, a captivating story title there, the headline that conveys what you do, and a call to action. I'm going to be doing a workshop next Thursday that deals with all of your websites. Over the next week, I'm going to be doing all these little 3 to 5 minute videos to help you do your website. And I've got an hour-long workshop next Thursday. So if you go to Quilting Studio Life/workshop, you can sign up and I'll send you, it's a free 1-hour video where we're going to go through together live going through various pieces of your entire homepage and how it works with your business plan. That was our workshop last week, and how it works with your overall marketing plan. But for today, take a look at your website. Do you have the four components? And if not, do a quick, easy change to get those four components above the fold. As always, learn everything you can, share everything you know, and serve the quilting community each and every day. And I'll see you tomorrow.